Hello everyone, welcome back to 4A. Today I'm starting my new blog skincare. This is not gonna be a typical Instagram video where you take aloe vera, apply it in your pimple and it's gone in 1 hour. This is gonna be something different. Here I will be using all natural and all organic products. So let's start. Masks made of natural ingredients have an immediately tonic, refreshing, purifying, drying, or moisturizing effect. Today I'm going to tell you how to properly prepare your skin before applying mask, how to properly apply mask, and how to properly wash it off. The most important thing related to the proper skincare is to determine its type. Dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, and normal skin, and to select mask according to this. You must apply a mask onto a cleaned skin only. You should clean your face skin from all makeup before applying the mask. Any mask should be applied onto an ideally cleaned skin only. That's why you should be barefaced. So scoop back your hair. Remember that some mixtures can drop. In this regard, you should take some prevention measures to mark your clothes and interior items. You can cover your clothes with towel. It doesn't matter what kind of face mask you selected. First, you should check its allergies for your skin. Attention! Before applying the mask onto your skin, you should consult it with your dermatologist. The mask should not be hot, near cold, but of an average room temperature, which gives you a comfortable sensation. When making a mask at home, you should select only fresh ingredients of the highest quality and apply it immediately after it has been made, because no mask made from natural products can be used too long. You should also select relevant wear. Never make any mixture in plastic or zinc ware. This surface is chemically active and they can be an oxidation process while making a mixture in it. A glass source or enameled plate would immediately fit for the best purpose. Remember, if your mask has some wax, it should be melted in a boiling water bath in an enameled or glass plate in order to make mask, creams, and other products. It's important to properly apply a mask, but few people pay due attention to this process. A mask should be applied onto the face immediately after it's been made. Also, all natural masks are used only once and never stored till next application. You should not apply a mask with special brushes, because bristles may leave imprints and the application will not be uniform. Your finger cushions are the best tool for this. In extremis, you may use official wooden spatula. You should apply a mask from neck or chin according to massage lines. Study massage lines according to which you will apply a mask, so you will prevent new wrinkling. You should apportion the mask all over your face according to massage lines, about 1 centimeter from the hairline. Remember that ordinary masks are not applied onto the eye skin and lips. Masks for eye skin and lips are applied on their own. When making this procedure, you shouldn't avoid expansion wrinkling. That's why you shouldn't talk near smile. It's totally unacceptable to do anything else to walk and talk with mask on your face. Once the mask has been applied on your face, you should relax and not to tense facial muscles. If you want to get better results, then you should lie down, close your eyes, and relax. It's advisable to turn on some relaxing music. You should keep the mask on your face within the period required for such a mask. Masks are usually washed off with water without using any soap or other cleansers. The mask should be washed off very thoughtfully. It should be washed off very carefully and with warm, clear water. It's advisable to use soft sponges or cotton tissues. Also, you may use special soft sponges to be wet at first, and then remove the mask off your face and have a wash with water. If the mask very strongly tightens your skin or you feel any discomfortable, you would better wash it off immediately. And remember, try to do everything in the system. Don't just try to do 1 or 2 masks a year. Obviously, they're not gonna help you. And try to use a combination of different ones. Now, comment down below what new things you learned today from my video. Like, subscribe. When you subscribe, click that bell, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. And what masks I will tell you in my future videos.